Ginaya ang negosyo mo? Have you ever felt that sinking feeling when someone copies your business idea and sets up shop right in front of you? May nag-DM sa akin recently na nagtatanong kung ano ang gagawin kapag may gumaya sa negosyo niya. And it's such a common problem for entrepreneurs. Just when you're starting to gain momentum, biglang may lalabas na kaparehong business sa tapat mo pa mismo. And I received a DM from someone na nag-start ng small coffee cart in their neighborhood. Pinaghandaan niya ito, and after finally going full-time sa business niya, 2 months pa lang siyang nag-operate nang biglang may bagong competitor. Hindi lang basta competitor. Literally, nasa harap lang ng cart niya, nag-set up ng coffee truck. Imagine that feeling? Alam mo anak, hindi yan maiiwasan. But how do you respond to it? Una, focus ka sa unique strengths ng business mo. Ano ba ang kakaiba sa negosyo mo? Baka mas personal ang service, mas authentic ang recipes, or may special connection ka na sa mga suki mo. Pangalawa, treat it as validation. Kung ginagaya ka, ibig sabihin may nakita silang potential sa ginagawa mo. Pangatlo, use this as fuel para mag-innovate. Anak, ang lesson is, hindi competition ang kalaban mo. Ang mindset mo ang mahalaga. Every problem is a chance to make your business better. And not all businesses have the same outcome. It depends on how much you care, plan, and work hard. Ganyan dapat para maging business-minded Pinoy.